As with any installation, preparation is the key. You can't have any bumps or humps underneath your LVT. While it is a strong and durable material, it is pliable, and those things can, as you walk on your floor, show through. So you want to make sure as you're prepping your substrate, you're taking a utensil like a scraper or the flat end of a hammer, running across the floor, and any screws or nails that popped up, you want to either put those back down or remove them completely. Now that you have all of the things out of your wood floor, you're gonna need to prep the seams of the plywood. Our suggestion is that you prep all of the seams with the patch material. This covers all your seams, and also if there's any low spots in your floor, you want to patch those. If you leave a low spot in your floor, the LVT will go over it, but it could leave a hollow spot. And as you walk on that, you can feel it underfoot. So you want to get your level out and drag it across your floor to make sure there's no light between the level and your subfloor. Any gaps, you want to use that flashing material and get it perfectly flat. If you have serious issues, you may want to pour some self-leveling. Now, we talked about a wood floor, but what if you're going over a concrete floor? This most of the time won't have any screws or anything in it, but you still need to check for flatness. Even though as you walk across your concrete floor, it may seem flat, but any variations need to be filled with a patch material and or a self-leveling material. If you got value out of this LVT video, click that like button, and if you haven't subscribed, do it. And the next step is to click right here. Let's keep learning together and tile, LVT, the world.